So I'm noticing something in my day-to-day as a broker, a buyer, etc., that this is the Wild West when it comes to advertising a property. And so there's like the various listing sites, right? We have CoStar, we have Crexi, we have the MLS. Now you can hire a broker to do anything, right? Like our licenses are not residential to commercial. So I see residential agents get hired to sell warehouses where they don't have the software. They don't pay to go on to the commercial MLSs. I see it all the time. So now, because this is such a Wild West, you have people listing properties. Some list on one site, some don't list on another site. And this is where I'm catching an edge, where it's like, this property is completely mismarketed. The wrong person was hired to sell this, and now someone's going to buy it at a ridiculous price. What's happening is like this increase in technology, like everybody, like it's the Wild West. It's insane. Like I'm analyzing what's on the market on CoStar versus what's on the market on Crexi versus what's on the market on the MLS to find the ones that are mismarketed to either put them in front of my clients or buy them.
Okay. That's savvy.
It's insane. I can't believe this is the world we live in, where I just sit at my computer and like shop for like anyway. And the point of that is that when technology is so rapidly changing in an industry as real as commercial real estate, I'm overwhelmed by the opportunity because we can't control other people's actions. And I would always act ethically, but there's opportunity to be had.
Now, my question is, are you employing AI to assist you in any of that and make your life a little more efficient, Miss Aviva?
Of course I am.
Just curious. That's good.
Crazy?
That's good. Yeah. Just making sure.